Good morning to everyone. My name is Pradeepa from the Department of Master of Computer Application. My project is about detecting the accurate melanoma skin cancer using an ensemble-based deep neural network. Abstract: early diagnosis of the skin cancer is the essential health requirement for the patient and a critical task for the dermatologist. Analysis of the skin image and dermoscopy is the mandatory for the medical profession to take the appropriate decisions on the treatments. There are a number of methods have been researched to use the automated and computerized systems for the skin disease in the image processing. Various dermoscopic image processing techniques have been reviewed to explore the possible solutions to skin disease and to select a method for the early detection of the skin disease. Introduction: melanoma is one of the most aggressive form of skin cancer. It is responsible for the majority of the skin cancer related deaths. Dermoscopic images are taken with the aid of liquid medium or non-polarized light sources and magnifiers under the well-controlled clinical conditions. Dermoscopy is one of the most important techniques to examine the skin lesions, and they can capture the high resolution image of the skin escaping interruptions of the surface reflection. Especially well-trained clinicals are high resolution imaging to evaluate the possibility of melanoma at the very beginning stage. They can obtain the accuracy as 80%. Skin cancer. Skin is one of the vital and largest organs in the human body. The color pigments produce cell called melanocytes. Melanocytes is located in the epidermis, which is the outer layer of the skin. It starts with the outer layer of the epidermis due to the high exposure of the ultraviolet rays. A small but significant number of skin cancers are malignant melanoma. Malignant melanoma is a highly aggressive cancer that tends to spread the other parts of our body. The cancer may falter if not treated early. Types of skin cancers are: in this skin cancer they are divided into two parts. One is melanoma, another one is a non-melanoma skin cancer. Melanoma: most melanoma consists of various colors from shades of brown to black. The number of melanoma are in pink, red, fleshy in the color. These are called amylonetic melanoma and tend to be more aggressive. The signs to malignant melanoma: it includes the change in size, shape, color or evaluation of mole. The other signs are appears in the new mole during the adulthood or pain, itching, redness around the skin. Non-melanoma. Non-melanoma, it includes in two types. One is basal cell skin cancer and other one is a squamous cell skin cancer, BCC. It is usually present as the raised smooth pearly bump on the sun exposed skin of the head, neck, shoulder. Sometimes small blood vessels can be seen with the tumor. This form of skin cancer is least deadly with the proper treatment. It can be completely eliminated without scanning. SCC. It is commonly red, scaling, thickened patch sun exposed in the skin. Some are from hard nodules and a dome shaped. When SCC is not treated, it may develop into a large mass. SCC is the second most common skin cancer. It is dangerous but not nearly as dangerous as melanoma. Identifying the skin cancers: one is light skin color, hair color, eye color and freckles, and genetics, certain types of moles, long-term sun exposure, history of childhood burns. Skin cancer causes: most frequently causes of skin cancers are usually uses of tanning boots, exposed to unusually high levels of radiation such as X-rays, people with fair skin, especially type the freckles, sunburns easily or become painful in the sun, people with numerous moles, unusual moles or large moles that were present at birth, they change in size, shape, color or evaluation of mole. Exit system. In this exit system, a detection of this system to optimize to localize the skin lesions by combining the lightweight method for skin detection with their hierarchical segmentations. A conventional image processing is included in the image processing modules to find the feature lesions of the color distributions, a typical pigment network classification with the handcrafted features. The conventional algorithm technique where the exit system is a k nearest network. The method to classify the image segmentations method. Problem identification. Edge based approaches perform poorly when the boundaries are not well defined. For the instance, when the transition between skin lesions is smooth, in this situation the edges have gaps and contourer may leak through them. Another difficulty is edge point that do not belong to the lesion boundary. Proposed systems. In this proposed system, there are statistical confidence based segmentation models is designed the classification further by the resilient neural network. It improves the quality of classification and morphological study. It has been developed for the deep understanding for the image features. In this block diagram, you have to input the image and download the sampling and the skin tone deductions and next image pre-processing in the statistical interval of samples, morphological feature extractions and sample creations, and the training feature function block. The resilient neural network it divides into error analysis and the statistical analysis will be comes to depth calculations or affected area calculations. Modules descriptions are first pre-processing the first step to improve the quality of image, removing the irrelevant noises and unwanted parts in the background of the skin images, and then image reader. From this we can read the image that are assigned by the pre-processing technique. It can be ready all the image which are used in this modules. Resize image, we can resize the image with the improved quality that makes sure the images in various size that can be allocated with the small to big. And next, grayscale conversion. Grayscale conversion is the range of the monochromatic shades from black to white. Therefore the grayscale image contains only shades of gray and it has no color. Filtering is the image processing that can be mainly used to suppress either the high frequency in this image. The image can be filtered either the frequency of the spalter domain. And next, sharpening. Sharpening is refers to the image overall clarity in the terms of both focus on contrast. Image sharpening refers to an enhancement technique that highlights the edges and details in the image. This is a UML diagram. First you have to start and then next input the image and then convert it into grayscale image and then binary conversion and next feature extraction and then next segmentation and next classification and the result will be normal or abnormal and then stop. This is the use case diagram and the sequence diagram. Data flow diagrams it has a level 1 and level 0, level 1 and level 2 and the level 3. These are the model description, model output screenshots. You have to input the original image. The original image will be resized as the small to big. From this resize image, it can be affected area will be shown as the black and other will be shown as the white. Background will be shown as white. And next, a red panel. There RED panel. There are 3 panels. One is red panel, and then next green panel, and then is blue panel. This is the boundary image. It extracts from the binary image. The affected area will be shown as the white, and the background image will be shown as the black. It extracts from the binary image. It will be the holes filtered image. The holes will be filtered in the affected areas. And the skin binary image, it extracts from the binary image. Affected area will be shown as the boundary black. And the masked image, how the depth will be shown in this image. Tumor will be shown as the tumor detector will be shown as the how the skin cancer is affected and it will be shown as the normal or abnormal. Conclusions, we propose an accessible solutions of the melanoma detections. The main characteristics of the proposed systems are K-means segmentations. For the resource content platform, a new set of features with the efficiency capture of color variation and borders. It is irregularity from the smartphone and a new mechanism for selecting a compact set of most descriptive features. In this model, the image data are being stored up in the array and the channel values or image are being compared and stored in temporary arrays. Finally, the resilient neural network is classified whether the given input image is normal or abnormal. Feature extraction. In this feature extraction, like color, weight, depth and pixel information apply before the classifier. Here we use the K-means segmentation algorithms used to order the segment in the portion of detected areas. Image segmentation, the division of separation image to regions, that is a set of pixel in regions or compared according to the creation such as a color intensity or texture. It will compare the color based segmentation with the K-means clustering and the threshold functions. These are the hardware and software requirements. Thank you.